2010 Mustang GT. What we got done on it for you. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it comes with a factory H-pipe. Then it's true dualed all the way back. And we did a bolt-on muffler delete, axle back, with 3.5-inch tips. Right there and right there. Anytime you want to put these clamps on, if you have a welder, you want to tack them like that, because these Mustangs emit a lot of power and it resonates them off. And they can get loose and have issues down the road where they fall off. So that's what you want to do. You always want to tack them right there and right there. It's absolutely beautiful. There's the original 2 mufflers right there. So we'll let you guys hear in a minute. Much better. Nice and throaty. Yeah. After you do that, what you were talking about with the headers and everything, yeah, it's gonna scream, man.
Yeah, we're putting the cam in next month.
Oh, really? Woo. And it was an actually SLP, or yeah, SLP system. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing.